Good morning, class. We're starting chapter 3 of grade 7 math. The name of the chapter is HCF and LCM. We have already studied a little bit about HCF and LCM in grade 6th also. Okay, in grade 7th, we're going to study some new techniques how to solve HCF and LCM. Okay, firstly, you have your objective for the day. We'll be able to solve HCF of two numbers using prime factorization. Okay, here we have two main terms, HCF, okay, and prime factorization, right? We'll discuss both of it in details in this lesson. In this lesson, we're only going to study about HCF. Okay, LCM we're going to do it in the next lesson, right? First, before moving on in the chapter, let us quickly recall what are prime numbers. The definition of prime number is prime numbers are those numbers which are divisible by 1 and the number itself. Okay, इसका मतलब क्या है? प्राइम नंबर्स वो नंबर्स होते हैं जो सिर्फ 1 से और खुद अपने आप से ही डिवाइड हो पाएंगे. डिवाइड मीन्स दे विल लीव रिमाइंडर 0. सो हाउ डू यू फाइंड प्राइम नंबर्स? प्राइम नंबर्स हम लोग ढूंढेंगे कैसे? ओके, सो दिस इज अ सिंपल टेक्निक. What you have to do is you have to find the factors of the numbers. Okay, if there are only two factors, that means the number is a prime number. ठीक है, अगर एक नंबर के बस दो ही factors रहेंगे, okay, those factors are 1 and the number itself, then we call it as a prime number. Let's see an example. Okay, you have a question, tell if the following numbers are prime. आपको बताना है कि following numbers prime है कि non prime है. Okay, first you have 4, then you have 5. We've already studied how to find factors of a number. So the factors of 4 will look something like this, right? 1 into 4 and 2 into 2. Okay, and we have to stop at 2 because the number is repeating itself, right? So here, as you can see, the factors of 4 are 1, 2 and 4. Right, so what is the number of factors? 3, right? 1, 2 and 4. There are 3 numbers which are the factors of 4. So can 4 be a prime number? A prime number has only 2 factors. Prime number के 2 factors रहेंगे, 3 4 रहेंगे, then it will not be a prime number. Since 4 has more than 2 factors, therefore 4 is not prime. ठीक है, let's see about 5. We know 5 can only be written as 1 into 5, right? There are no more factors of 5, right? So there are only 2 factors, 1 and 5, right? So since 5 is only 2 factors, so you can say that 5 is a prime number. Okay, let us see what are some of the first few prime numbers. Okay, the first 10 prime numbers are as following. ये जो numbers आपको दिए गए हैं, okay, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29. These are the first 10 prime numbers. Okay, it will be very good if you can memorize these first 10 prime numbers. Okay, because they will be very useful while solving further questions. Okay, let's move on. Now let's understand what is prime factorization. We have understood what is prime numbers. Now let us understand what is prime factorization. Okay, prime factorization किसको बोलते हैं? When we write a number in the form of product of its prime factors, we call it as prime factorization. Okay, what does this mean? इसका मतलब क्या है? Let's see with an example. आपको दिया गया है कि do the prime factorization of the following 12 and 15. Before doing it, let's just keep the first 10 prime numbers near us, okay, because this will be very useful, right? Now in grade 6th, okay, I showed you a technique. If you remember, it looks something like this. Okay, here what I have done is 12 is a number, right? So 12 can be broken down into two numbers. So 12 is equal to 2 into 6, right? 12 2 into 6 में break down कर सकते हैं, and here 2 is a prime number, so that's why I have circled this. आप इस टेबल पे देखो 2 prime number है ना, तो इसलिए मैंने इसको circle किया है. Now 6 is not a prime number. If you look in a table, 6 is not a prime number, right? So 6 will be broken down again. 6 को हम फिर से break down करेंगे. ठीक है, now 6 can be written as 2 into 3. ठीक है, 2 into 3 6 होता है, right? So again we write it down as 2 and 3. Now 2 is also a prime number, right? And 3 is also a prime number. So इसलिए हम लोग इसको सर्कल कर देते हैं, right? So now to write it down in this form. ऐसे आपको लिखना है, okay? The prime factorization of 12 is 12 equal to, okay, 2 into 2 into 3. ये 2 into 2 into 3 कहाँ से आया? These circles, okay? 2 into 2 into 3, okay? 12 equal to 2 into 2 into 3. ठीक है? Even if you calculate both the sides, 2 into 2 into 3 करोगे आप तो आपको 12 ही मिलेगा, ठीक है? लेफ्ट हैंड साइड इक्वल टू राइट हैंड साइड. ओके, लेट्स सी अबाउट 15. 15 का कैसे होगा? नाउ 15 कैन बी ब्रोकन डाउन इनटू 3 into 5. ठीक है, 3 into 5 क्या होता है? 15 होता है. ओके, नाउ 3 इज ऑल्सो ए प्राइम नंबर एंड 5 इज ऑल्सो ए prime number. So here the prime factorization of 15 is 15 equal to 3 into 5. Okay, this is called prime factorization. Now next what you have to do is you have to solve these 3 questions. So basically you have to do prime factorization of the following numbers 9, 16 and 40. For your reference I am putting up the first and prime numbers on the side. ठीक है, first and prime numbers आपके साइड में दिए हुए हैं and you have to solve this. So pause this video and try doing it by yourself. Okay, coming back, so your answer should look something like this. First you will draw a rough column on the side. So 9 is the number here, right? So 9 can be broken down as how? हम rough column में करते हैं इसको. 9 can be broken down as 3 into 3, right? 3 is a prime number, है ना? 3 prime number है तो इसको गोल कर देते हैं. So how do you write it? The prime factorization of 9 is 9 equal to 3 into 3. Okay, second is 16. 16 को कैसे लिखेंगे हम लोग? 16 can be written down as 2 into 8. 2 into 8 16 होता है, right? Now 2 is a prime number, so we circle it. 8 is not a prime number, so we'll break down again. So 8 can be written as 2 into 4. ठीक है, 8 को break down करेंगे 2 into 4 बनेगा, right? So 2 is again a prime number, we circle it. Okay, now 4 is not a prime number, so 4 हम फिर से break down करते हैं. So 4 is 2 into 2 again, right? 2 into 2 4 बनता है, right? So last we have 2 and 2, so which both are prime numbers. So the prime factorization of 16 will be 16 equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 4 बार 2 multiply हो रहा है. Okay, similarly the last one will be something like this. We'll get the prime factorization of 40 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. Okay, now let's move on and understand what is HCF. HCF क्या होता है? It simply means highest common factor. Okay, grade 6 में we did it with a different method. Okay, let's just quickly revise वो method क्या था, right? So here you have your steps to build skill on your side. ठीक है, these will go through it once you are solving this question. So first you have to find the HCF of the following numbers 16 and 40. 16 and 40 का HCF निकालना है. तो कैसे निकालते हैं? First step is find all the factors. सारे factors निकालो पहले. Okay, so the factors of 16 and factors of 40 will look something like this. ठीक है, आप ये करते थे, right? 1 into 16 is 16, 2 into 8 is 16, then 3 into how much is 16? 3 into nothing is 16, right? So skip 3, then we go 4. 4 into 4 is 16. Because 4 and 4 are coming together, we'll stop here. आगे नहीं जाएंगे, 5 6 नहीं जाएंगे हम लोग, ठीक है? Then here 40 में you have 1 into 40, then 2 into 20 is equal to 40, right? Then 3 into how much is 40? 3 into no number is 40, ठीक है? तो 3 cancel कर देंगे. Now 4 में जाएंगे. 4 into how much is 40? 4 into 10 is 40, right? And 5 into how much is 40? 5 into 8 is 40, right? 6 into how much is 40? 6 into nothing is 40, so 6 is cancelled. 7 into how much is 40? 7 into nothing is 40, so 7 is also cancelled. And then we'll come to 8 into 5 is 40, and 8 into 5 and 5 into 8 is the same thing, so we'll stop there. Okay, इधर ही हम factors को रोक देते हैं, right? फैक्टर्स ऑफ 16 एंड फैक्टर्स ऑफ 40 अगर हम लोग एक सीधे लाइन पे लिखेंगे, ओके, वी राइट इन हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन इन असेंडिंग ऑर्डर. असेंडिंग मीन्स स्मॉल टू बिग, तो कुछ ऐसा दिखेगा, राइट? यू हैव फैक्टर्स ऑफ 16 एज 1 2 4 8 एंड 16. ठीक है, 4 इसमें 2 बार आ रहा था, हमने 1 बार लिखा इसमें, right? And factors of 40 are 1, 2, 4, 5, 8, 10, 20 and 40. Okay, इधर तक हो गया. Now what you have to do is you have to find common factors. 16 और 40 में जो factors common है उनको आप circle कर लो. So first 1 is a common factor, right? 2 is a common factor, 4 is a common factor, then we have 8 as common factor. ठीक है, और कुछ है नहीं है, राइट? नाउ आउट ऑफ द 4 कॉमन फैक्टर्स, ठीक है, 1, 2, 4 and 8, which is the biggest number, which is the largest number? So 8 is the largest number, right? So the HCF of 16 and 40 will be 8, ठीक है, because 8 is the highest common factor. ठीक है. In grade 7 though, we are learning again the same thing, HCF of finding HCF of two numbers. The only difference is we are using prime factorization method. ठीक है, हम जो क्लास 6 में किया था वो मेथड से नहीं करेंगे, हम दूसरे मेथड से करेंगे जहाँ पे प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन का यूज़ होता है. वी हैव ऑलरेडी सीन हाउ टू डू प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन, राइट? सो वी हैव टू यूज़ दैट मेथड. ओके, so here are the steps to build skill. Let's see the question. Okay, question is saying find the HCF of the following numbers. Okay, now here I have given method 1. So there are two main methods in prime factorization. This method is called as simple prime factorization. इसको क्या बोलते हैं? Simple prime factorization. Okay, let's take the rough column on the side. ठीक है, और for your reference I am taking the 10 first prime numbers. ठीक है, आपके reference के लिए. Okay, let's see the first step to build skill. Do prime factorization of the numbers. जो numbers है उसका आपको prime factorization करना है. ठीक है, so first we have 16 and 40. ठीक है, 16 का prime factorization करेंगे. It will look something like this, है ना? रफ में आप 16 का prime factorization करो, ऐसा दिखेगा. So what is the prime factorization of 16? The prime factorization of 16 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Okay, आप 40 का करते हैं. 40 का कैसा दिखेगा? 40 will look something like this. Okay, 40 4 into 10, then 4 को 2 into 2 and 10 को 2 into 5. Okay, so the prime factorization of 40 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. Okay. Second step is pick out the common prime factors. आपको जो common prime factors दिख रहे हैं वो आपको ढूंढ के निकालना है. So let's see here. So 2 and 2 are common, this 2 and this 2 are common, this 2 and this 2 are common. ठीक है, और कुछ common है नहीं, right? So this 2 and this 5 are uncommon, है ना? So we write that HCF of 16 and 40 is 2 into 2 into 2. ठीक है, अब इन तीनों को मल्टीप्लाई करोगे it will be 8. Let's see the second example, 5 into 16. Now we know 5 is already a prime number. 5 already prime number है, so उसका prime factorization कैसे दिखेगा? 5 into 1, simple, और कुछ नहीं है. Okay, then 16 we have already done here. ऊपर हमने 16 एक बार कर लिया था, तो 16 के prime factorization कैसे होगा? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Okay, now let's find the common prime factors. Okay, as you can see here 5 has 5 into 1 and 16 has 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So nothing is common, है ना? कुछ सेम नहीं है, सब अलग अलग है, right? Since there is no common factor, therefore HCF of 5 and 16 is equal to 1. जब कोई common prime factors नहीं रहते हैं, then what we do is we take the HCF of those two numbers as 1. ठीक है, I hope you are able to understand the examples. Now here are 3 questions for you to solve using simple prime factorization. Okay, आप ये 3 क्वेश्चन करोगे. This is your homework. Okay, the answer you will find in the answer key. Now moving on, let's see the second type of method which we are going to study. This method is called as division prime factorization. इसको क्या बोलते हैं? Division prime factorization. ठीक है, we'll again take the first 10 prime numbers here. Okay, first what you have to do is take both the numbers in a upside down division bracket. So as you can see here, the numbers, I've written the numbers here 16 and 40, okay, and I've taken upside down division bracket, right? Now the second step is take a common prime factors of both the numbers and divide both the numbers. इसका मतलब क्या है, हम एक कॉमन प्राइम फैक्टर लेंगे, ठीक है। अगर आपको नहीं पता प्राइम फैक्टर क्या है 16 एंड 40 के कॉमन प्राइम फैक्टर्स, इट्स नॉट अ डिफिकल्ट जॉब. व्हाट यू हैव टू डू इज यू हैव द सीरीज टेबल, फर्स्ट एंड प्राइम नंबर्स आपको दिए हुए हैं, एक एक करके आपको चेक करना है. सो लेट्स टेक 2 फर्स्ट, ठीक है, पहले 2 ले लेते हैं, ओके. एंड व्हाट यू हैव टू डू इज डिवाइड 16 बाई 2. सो 16 डिवाइडेड बाई 2 कितना आता है, 16 डिवाइडेड बाई 2 इज 8, 8 2s are 16 आता है, right, and the remainder is 0. okay, so you have to do the same thing here, just आपको रिमाइंडर नहीं लिखना है एंड यू हैव टू टर्न दिस अपसाइड डाउन. इसको ऊपर से नीचे कर देना है. 16 अंदर ही रहेगा, 2 इधर रहेगा और 8 इधर रहेगा. ओके, यू हैव टू डू समथिंग लाइक दिस. सो हाउ इट विल लुक लाइक हियर इज 8 विल कम हियर, ठीक है. 16 डिवाइडेड बाई 2 इज 8 और 2 into 8 is 16. 2 into 8 is 16. Similarly, 2 into how much is 40? 2 into 20 is 40. Both of these are not prime numbers. ठीक है, ये prime numbers नहीं है. 8 भी prime number नहीं है, 20 भी prime number नहीं है. Okay, until we find prime numbers, we have to repeat the step again and again. Repeat the step until we get all prime numbers. Okay, हम फिर से step लेंगे. We write the bracket again. फिर से 2 लेते हैं हम लोग, ठीक है. We'll take 2 again. 2 how much is 8? 2 into 4 is equal to 8, right? And 2 into how much is equal to 20? 2 into 10 is equal to 20. So हम लोग 4 और 10 इधर पे लिखते हैं. Okay. Now 4 is also not prime. 10 is also not prime, right? We'll do again one more time. Okay. We'll take 2 again. ठीक है, फिर से 2 लेते हैं. Now 2 into how much is 4? 2 into 2 is 4, and 2 into how much is 10? 2 into 5 is 10. Now if you look at a table, 2 is a prime number and 5 is also a prime number, है ना. So here we have to stop. Okay. Now if you ask what is the HCF of 16 and 40, what you have to do simply, ये जो आपको vertical column में जो दिख रहा है, ये numbers इनको multiply कर देना है. So if you are asked HCF of 16 and 40, you have to write the answer as 2 into 2 into 2. ठीक है, आप इसका आंसर निकालोगे तो it will come as 8. 2 into 2 is 4, 4 into 2 is 8. Your answer will be 8. Okay. Similarly, the second question, 5 into 15. So again, we'll write the 5 and 15 inside the bracket. Okay. So here we have taken 5. ये 5 क्यों लिया हमने, 2, 3 क्यों नहीं लिया? Because we have to take that number, okay, which will divide both 5 and 15. 5 और 15 दोनों को divide करेगा. Now if you have taken 2, 2 cannot divide 5 and 15. ठीक है. Similarly, if you take 3, 3 cannot divide 5 and 15. 3 can divide 15, okay, but 3 cannot divide 5, right? But 5 can divide both 5 and 15, है ना. So 5 ones are 5, right, and 5 threes are 15. Okay. Now here you can see 1 is not a prime number, okay, but 3 is a prime number. 3 prime number है, okay. If you get 1 or any prime number, you have to stop it there only, ठीक है. So here your answer will be only this. ये 5 ही होगा, okay. So the HCF of 5 and 15 is 5. ठीक है. Now let's jump into the exercise. आपको क्या करना है, आपको HCF निकालना है इन नंबर्स के, okay, using division prime factorization method. ठीक है. These are the same question as exercise 1, but in exercise 1 you have done simple prime factorization method. In here you have to do division prime factorization method. ठीक है. Let's quickly recap what we learned today. So we learned about prime numbers. हमने ये जाना कि prime numbers क्या होते हैं, okay. Prime numbers are those numbers which have only 2 factors, 1 and the number itself, right? And we studied about what is prime factorization and how to do prime factorization. ठीक है, prime factorization कैसे करते हैं, ठीक है, वो हमने जाना, ठीक है. Then we studied about HCF. We revised what is studied in grade 6, and we learned 2 new methods also to solve HCF using prime factorization. One is simple prime factorization method and the other is division prime factorization method. Okay, this is very important that you practice these questions again and again by yourself. Just by seeing the video you will not learn in math. In math you have to do practice on your own, then only you will be able to learn. If you're not understanding the video, please watch it more than 2-3 times. Okay, and try solving your question side by side. ठीक है, वीडियो भी प्ले करते रहो और क्वेश्चन भी आप अपने नोटबुक में साइड बाय साइड सॉल्व करते रहो, so that you can understand better. Okay, with this the lesson is complete. Thank you. In the next class we'll be learning about LCM. Okay.